Welcome to another episode of Listed Lifestyles. Today we're looking at a house just under $7 million in Naples, Florida, less than a mile from the beach on a double lot. Let's go check it out. Wow. Super tall ceilings in here. Awesome entry. Beautiful staircase. Taylor, how are you? Good.
Good to see you, man.
Great to see you. Everyone, this is Taylor Canada, the listing agent of the property. Taylor, tell us a little bit about the layout of this house.
A great 5-bedroom home here. You've got a split level floor plan. I'll give you just a brief overview and let you guys kind of just walk through the home.
Perfect.
So 4-car garage, which is amazing. Sits on a double lot in Mercato, which is fantastic. High quality finishes, top to bottom. You've got 3 bedrooms upstairs with a great flex area. Another guest bedroom downstairs. Amazing chef's kitchen. 2 courtyards on each side. Really a tremendous home.
Awesome. Well, without further ado, let's go check it out. We're gonna spin around and head to garage number 1 and the office. Down this hallway, we've got the half bath. A garage we're gonna check out in a second. Something really cool is hiding in there. And back here, we've got the office. What I love about this office is that it's at the end of the hallway, secluded from everything else. But also, you have a beautiful view of the pool behind you. So sitting at this desk, hanging out all day, the sun actually crosses back behind me. So you have no direct sun coming into this office. So it stays cool, but then you have all this light on this side and this beautiful sliding patio door. It's a triple pane, so it opens up a lot, and you can hear the pool, you can see the pool and see a lot of natural light, but still being connected to the rest of the house. It's pretty cool. Now for the garage, one of my favorite parts. Check this out. It's a normal garage, right? But then you have this awesome gym over here. So you can hang out with your car, work out in the morning. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a huge car fan. So being able to come in here and work out with your car, I mean, it's kind of weird, but I would actually, like, this would motivate me to come work out a little bit.
I think you can go for the heavier one.
You think? Okay, I'm done. I think that was like 2,000 or 3,000. I don't know. Let's go check out the rest of the house. There's so much more to see. We'll come back to the gym and do a full workout later. Now we've seen this office and the garage on this side, let's go to the other side. Over here, we have a guest suite behind me. All the guest suites in this home come with their own bathroom and a walk-in closet. Behind me here, we have an entryway off this garage that has lockers on this side. Again, Ruffino cabinetry all the way into here. And then over here on your left, we've got actually a double stack washer and dryer. That is really well done. We've got quartzite countertops, again, matching into the kitchen out to here, a beautiful backsplash. And then this garage, we are in Florida. So sometimes in these smaller areas like Mercato where things get a little tighter, we can't get full-size trucks. This is a full-size new Raptor. So fits a full-size F-150, and it's not the small one. This is the new Raptor. So a lot of space in here. The painted floors are a must. Great garage. Now I want to take you back to the entry and we're gonna head upstairs. Getting back to the entry and this beautiful front space. So front door you just came past there. These are magnificent 2-story ceilings. Like when you're in this space, it almost feels 3 stories because it is just so tall. And I love the way the staircase floats. It has all this glass, tons of natural light, and we're actually facing south, so this gets a lot of light. You've got beautiful artwork in the front, and now let's head upstairs to 3 en-suites and another living space that you can enjoy. So behind me, we have 2 en-suites. They both, again, have their own bathrooms, their own walk-in closets. We have this great upper loft living space with a long, really comfy couch. Walking over to this section is a great spot for a little reading nook. You could also make this an office. It's a great little extra area, and you've got storage. Behind me is another guest bedroom with another ensuite bathroom and another walk-in closet. So that makes 4 guest suites, 4 extra baths, 4 extra walk-in closets. Great for a family, or if you have a ton of guests coming over, great for that too. Let's head back downstairs. We're gonna show you some of the meat and potatoes of this house, the living room, the dining room, the amazing kitchen, head to the master suite, and then we're gonna head outside. Welcome back to the main level of the home. We are in the living room, the heart of this house. Behind me, we had the front door. To the right, we have garage and office. Over on this side, this was the other garage and guest suite. The kitchen here. What I love so much about this living room is the massive ceilings. These have to be 30 feet tall. You've got the beautiful wood beams up there, the huge fan. I love the focal wall there behind the TV. Absolutely huge TV, which is great, but you don't see it from the front door. I love that when you walk in, it's all about the seating space, the dining room, the beautiful sections of the home. The kitchen's hidden off to this side, the TV's hidden, but then as you walk back in here, you've got the dining space that gets a little cozier. It doesn't have the huge ceilings because there's a guest suite above here, but it still seats 10 people. With this having 5 full bedrooms in here, it's great to have enough space for everybody to come out and dine together. Now back over here, we're gonna go to what I think is one of the best parts about this house, the kitchen. This kitchen is so well done because of the things that it has, but also the things that you don't see, such as the refrigerator. Touch on the outside, it pops open. We have both refrigerator and freezer next door. These are Ruffino cabinets on the front of everything, and also into these cabinets, everything is soft close like you think it would be. And then walking over to here, we have kind of the crown jewel of this kitchen. This is the oven stove. I believe it's called Canche, Taylor?
Canche. Yes, yep. So imported from France, very high end. You've got gas, it's gas stove plus induction cooktop, which is very unique.
And the light blue color on here with the accents there. And then I love how it's framed in the middle with this awesome, gorgeous backsplash and the windows on both sides. And then having this glass cabinetry up above really makes it the focal point from both outside in that living room space and then actually when you're in here using it. And then it's really well set up to where the refrigerator freezer's right there. You've got the sink directly across from it because this is made to cook. Like if you love to cook amazing meals, this is for you. And then we also have dual dishwashers. So these are panel dishwashers here on both sides. Again, the things that are hidden in this place is amazing. And then you've got another area to set stuff. And then walking back here, you've got your breakfast bar. And this breakfast bar has the wine fridge with the ice maker. And then you can hide your coffee machine. I know so many of you are addicted to that stuff. Out of the way so it's not in your main kitchen. And then off over here, you've got a full pantry. Just off the kitchen, outside of the coffee bar, is this private courtyard. Now, because this is on a double lot that we've talked about very many times, this has 2 courtyards. So the other one has the pool, some of those other amenities. This one is more about privacy. Again, you've got the artificial grass down here. It's got a lot of shade in the morning, so this stays cool. You've got the privacy wall on this side as well, a water feature here. It is just very zen-like. If you want to grab your coffee, sit out here and just relax, this is the perfect spot to do it. You've got some palm trees. It still does have light, but it's just an easier place to be. And actually right behind you is a door that would lead into the master bathroom, which we're gonna head to next. Let's walk back through the house and show you guys that master suite. This area here is kind of the formal entry. Beautiful spot to have a gorgeous piece of art. You can see it from the living room, but yet it's kind of private because it's in your master suite. This side has the bedroom space to it. We've got a king size bed. I love how this is like gorgeous and understated elegance in here. It's all the same kind of off-white color, and then we have all the details throughout all the walls. It's beautiful because there's a lot going on, but yet in a very simple, elegant way. Headed down this way, we've got 2 amazing walk-in closets. They have so much built-in cabinetry. It's beautiful. Everybody will love those. We've got 2 sides. And then in here, we continue that 2 sides with 2 water closets, 2 incredibly large vanities. I love the underglow lighting on there. The way they did the lighting here was beautiful. Right here, we've got a seating area that actually doubles for a place to have a tub. That is plumbed completely for a tub. The current owners decided that they would rather have a place to kind of lounge in their master bathroom than have a tub, but you could easily add that. And then back over here, we've got a gorgeous shower with double vanity heads. Now let's head back outside to the second courtyard. Courtyard number 2, Taylor, I believe we left out there 95-degree weather in Florida, which wasn't good. We're gonna go check that out next. On our way there, look at this beautiful alligator artwork on both sides of the kitchen. Gorgeous. I love the touch because we're in Florida with the white alligators. I haven't seen very many alligators down here, but I do know they exist. Now walking this way, we have a very cool 4-panel pocket slider. This pocket's all the way in, so that way you can have the indoor-outdoor space that Florida people love. And with that, you open up a huge space to go indoor-outdoor living. So on those beautiful Florida days when it's not 95 degrees, you can put the remote screens down out here and make this a great indoor-outdoor space. I see we left Taylor out here, like I said, in the 95-degree heat. How you doing, Taylor?
Good. I've been stuck in worse places.
So tell us a little bit about outdoors here.
So phenomenal outdoor space here. You've got a great kind of courtyard, private courtyard feel. Just a ton of lounging areas. You've got fire features. You've got sound and hidden in all the landscaping. Sound in the ceiling here. Show you there's just a lot. There's a lot out here to like.
It's beautiful and it's so private. Like, let's spin around here. You've got the dining room area here, outdoor kitchen. You've got 2 windows that let light into the hallway. Again, you've got the entire slider open to living room, kitchen inside. You've got ceiling fans, speakers in the ceiling, and walking back to where Taylor is, you've got the first area that's more geared towards lounging, sitting, having a conversation with people, having a cocktail when it's beautiful out here. Again, the screens roll down so all this can be protected from any bugs that are here. You've got this gorgeous focal point at the end with a big TV, gas fireplace. I love that they did the backsplash in here as just as an added touch. They also have backsplash behind the kitchen that matches. And then come around here, I want you to see this outdoor space. We've got artificial grass out here to give you that green space. If you have a small dog, it might be perfect for it to run around a little bit. The big rocks add some cool texture out here. 2 lounge chairs to get the maximum sun as the sun goes over right in that area. And then you've got a really deep pool with a seating lounge on this side, stairs over there, and then the Infinity Edge hot tub with the gorgeous glass tiles. It looks amazing. They've done so much with this space, and yet it feels extremely private, extremely green. Like there's a lot going on here that just feels awesome. And on a 95-degree day, you can find some shade, or if you want to jump in the pool, you can do that too. So Taylor, where is this house located?
So we're in Mercato. What's cool about Mercato is it's a gated community within. There's a bunch of shops, restaurants, nightlife. You've got the beach literally less than half a mile down the street. So their proximity to everything is just, it's unbeatable.
And the Ritz-Carlton's right at the end of the street, right?
Yep, Ritz is down there. You've got restaurants in the Ritz. The location's fantastic. All hard to beat, really.
We already love this house. Now we love the location. If you guys have more questions specifically on this home, reach out to Taylor Canada. But thank you guys so much for watching another episode of Listed Lifestyles.